Hello, YouTube. A strong geomagnetic storm could bring northern lights to the Midwest this week. Northern lights could become visible across parts of the northern tier late this week, but space weather forecasters are still determining how powerful the geomagnetic storm could become. NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center issued a strong level 3 out of 5 geomagnetic storm watch for Thursday and Friday. If the storm if the solar storm timing lines up, northern lights could dance across the sky as far south as Illinois. The storm watch came after back-to-back blasts of particles from the sun known as coronal mass ejections. Those are CMEs. They were sent hurtling toward Earth. When those particles interact with Earth's magnetic field, an atmosphere, they can trigger colorful auroras. The CME activities associated with multiple solar flares, including an X1.0 flare on Wednesday. X-class flares are the most intense on NOAA's space weather scales, followed by M-class flares. 2 M-class flares occurred earlier Tuesday. NOAA SWPC Service Coordinator Sean Dahl said interesting things have been happening on the sun leading up to this week's potentially strong solar storm. Space weather forecasters are watching about 10 groups of sunspots for additional CME activity. If strong storm criteria are met, it would be the first strong solar storm since April. Late spring's not the best time for northern lights viewing because of later sunsets and fewer hours of darkness. Still, if a geomagnetic storm becomes strong to extreme, the northern lights can put on a good show and even appear as far south as Florida. To view the lights, stargazers should get away from light pollution by turning off outdoor lights or moving away from city lights. If nothing appears to the naked eye, a smartphone camera may provide better results. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.